On a cool evening, Princess Arwah wandered through the moonlit halls of her palace, searching for a reason behind her growing nightmares. With her curious spirit and fearless heart, she discovered a door she'd never seen before, shimmering with the glow of forgotten magic. She touched the door, and it creaked open. Inside was a vast hall filled with mirrors of every shape and size. Each reflected memories, dreams, and strange visions. As Arwah stepped closer, one tall mirror began to swirl, and a face emerged, crowned and proud, the King of Mirrors. "Welcome, Princess," boomed the king, his voice echoing as if from deep within the glass. "You are brave enough to enter my realm, but will you be wise enough to escape?" Arwah stared at her own image beside the king. Shadows flickered behind her, twisting her reflection. She knew this was not just a place of glass. It was a chamber of hidden truths. She gripped her locket, her late mother's last gift, and asked, "Why do you haunt my dreams?" The king's laughter tinkled like breaking glass. "Each mirror shows a fear, a wish, or a secret. You must face 3 challenges in my hall. If you succeed, your nightmares will end. If you fail, you will remain a shadow among my mirrors." First, Arwah faced a mirror where her reflection wept, burdened by loneliness. She spoke kindly to herself, remembering her father's gentle words. The sorrow faded, and the mirror cracked just slightly, revealing a path onward. The second challenge was in a mirror of doubt. Her reflection hesitated at every turn. Arwah remembered the wise advice of her tutor: "Trust your steps, not your fears." She stepped forward, and the glass shimmered, opening to the final trial. The last mirror was cloudy and silent. As Arwah touched it, the image clarified, showing her kingdom joyful and whole. She understood that her worries came from care for her people. She whispered a promise to lead with love and courage. The final mirror split, freeing her from the illusions. The hall faded, and Arwah awoke in her bed, the locket warm on her chest. She walked to her window, knowing her bravery in the mirror realm would guide her future. And somewhere, deep within an old door, the King of Mirrors watched quietly, his power dimmed, but his secrets never gone.